We manufacture a lot of our parts in-house here at Graco. We start at the beginning and have complete control over our products. And having control over it, then we can make sure that the quality is there. From when I first started here doing everything manually, now we're into the automation. It's a more efficient process. The quality has increased. We know that the output has increased, and we know that our customer is going to be happy. Inside our machines, on our milling area, we have a carousel capable of holding up to 200 tools at one time. With that, we can run 10, 11 different part numbers at a time, having all those tools in the machine, which again creates us a lot of flexibility and makes it more efficient. Quality is the number one thing that we strive for out on the floor. Each operator is responsible for their own quality. Standing behind our product is important to Graco because when the customer receives a product from Graco, they can be 100% sure it's going to do what Graco has promised, and that's be reliable and make their job easier and efficient.